Did know that the first ever computer program was written in the 1840s? Yes, you heard that right. A woman named Ada Lovelace is credited as the first computer programmer. Today, we are diving into a topic that's become a part of our daily lives, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. From voice assistants in our phones to recommendation systems on Netflix, AI is everywhere. But how did we get here? Why should you care about AI? In this video, we will explore the basics and history of artificial intelligence. By the end, you'll understand its importance and impact on our world. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. The idea sounds simple, but it's a complex journey that spans more than a century. Let's take a step back and look at the history of AI. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. But the concept has roots dating back much further. In the 1950s, philosophers and mathematicians started thinking about the possibility of machines that could mimic human reasoning. One of the key figures in those early days was Alan Turing. He proposed the Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to that of a human. Fast forward to the 1960s, and we see the birth of early AI programs. One of them was ELIZA, a software that simulated a conversation with a therapist. It was rudimentary but groundbreaking at the time. In the 70s and 80s, AI experienced a series of ups and downs, known as AI winters. Funding dried up because the technology didn't meet high expectations. Fast forward to the 1990s, and things started to change. The rise of the internet and advancements in computer power created new opportunities. For example, IBM's Deep Blue famously defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. That was a game changer. The 21st century brought even more advancements in AI. Machine learning became a key focus area. This is a method where machines learn from data and improve over time. Today, we see AI in numerous applications. Let's talk about some real-life examples. Siri and Alexa are voice assistant technologies that use AI to understand and respond to commands. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? It uses AI to analyze your viewing habits and suggest movies and shows. Now, let's touch on the importance of AI in our daily lives. AI helps in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and even agriculture. In healthcare, AI can help in diagnosing diseases more accurately. In finance, it detects fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction patterns. In agriculture, it predicts weather patterns to enhance crop yields. Let's not forget about ethics in AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to grow, we must also consider its implications. Questions like, how does AI affect jobs? What about privacy concerns? Are we comfortable with machines making decisions for us? These are all crucial conversations we need to have. Let's take a moment to engage with you, our audience. Have you ever interacted with AI technology? Maybe you've asked Siri to set a reminder or seen AI recommendations on social media. Comment below and share your experiences. By discussing these topics, we turn a spotlight on AI's role in our lives. As we approach the end of our content, remember that AI is reshaping our future. It's a tool that, when used correctly, has the potential to benefit us all. So, what's the takeaway from today's discussion? Artificial intelligence is more than science fiction, it's a reality that's unfolding before our very eyes. Understanding AI's history helps us navigate its future. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, stay curious and informed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you next time.